Question number 38. Which movement of the shoulder gets restricted when supraspinatus torn? Option A, flexion, option B, adduction, option C, abduction, and option D, rotation only. Now I think you all know the action of the supraspinatus, but before getting into the answer, let's see the biomechanics of supraspinatus. So from the biomechanical point of view, supraspinatus has a superiorly directed parallel translatory component and a perpendicular component, right? So unlike other rotator cuff, supraspinatus has a superior translatory component rather than inferior translatory component, which is common with other rotator cuff. Now, given its line of pull, supraspinatus is not able to offset the upward dislocating action of the deltoid, but supraspinatus is still an effective stabilizer. Now, in this figure, you can see the attachment of the supraspinatus muscle, and from that, we can say that with a concentric contraction of the supraspinatus muscle, the Fx is offset by the opposite directed gravitational force, and that results in the translatory equilibrium but effective rotation. So the resultant of the gravitational and supraspinatus force vectors contributes to an inferior gliding of the humeral head surface during the abduction of the arm. So basically the summary is, because of the superior location of the supraspinatus, Fy is more compressive in nature and can independently abduct the humerus. So basically Fy works as an independent abducting component, whereas Fx is generally offset by the gravitational force. So we can say supraspinatus is an independent abductor muscle. So when supraspinatus is torn, the movement restricted is option C, abduction. To know more about this, you can check the Norkin biomechanics book.